Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kevin from Rapid Restore. We're here at Wheatley Heights. We got a phone call from this homeowner. He was experiencing so many leaks. He got tired of fixing his roof. As you can see, he got new shingles in here. He was fixing it so many times. Let's point out some of the reasons why this roof it was leaking. All right. So he got some piece of shingles missing. They flew off. Maybe they're old. This roof looks like it's 35 years old. This is one of the reasons why you don't have to wait a last minute to get your roof done. Let me show you this. This thing has some piece of shingles here missing. Got one nail here rusty. This thing is leaking for months. So this is too old. You have to replace it before all of this happened. By the time that you got noticed that you got a leak, now you gotta replace the roof, the wood decking, insulation, probably sheetrock. So don't wait a last minute. Like, look at this. If you got a hurricane, like another 30, miles wind, you're gonna rip off that easy. Like, don't wait the last minute. Look at this. This is all right up. Look, this is so old. This is why you gotta get this thing done on time. You can see all these nails, rusty. Like, this thing has been leaking for a while. This is one of the reasons why you gotta get this roof done before to get to that point. We have another one up there that there is like shingles missing, and that's one of the reasons why he got a leak. Like, you can see all the rusty in the nails. So that's one of the major reasons that he's experiencing some roofing leaks. We have another spot over there that literally you can see the hole, like through the plywood, through the roof. So that's why we come by. And after we're done, we're gonna do inspection to the wood decking and let's see how it goes, if it needs to be replaced or if we can just re-nail it. So let's walk around. So we got there, the guy's carrying all the trash directly to the dump truck, so that way we don't have to pick it up twice. All the guys with the safety equipment, safety is always first for us. We gotta make sure all the guys are safe. And this is how we're doing. So far the wood is looking good. So let's see how it looks at the end of the day. Quick update of how we're doing here in the project. Everything is ripped off. We rip off all the layers of shingles. Pretty much the wood decking was pretty fine. So we found only 2 issues just here, there. The wood is fine, so we replaced only 2 boards. We just prep it, put in synthetic underlayment, put in drip patches, and we're ready to put the ice and water shield. And let's walk around. So far, this is how we're doing. Stepping the way it should be every 6 inches. So that way the nails are separately from the seam. So that's how it should be installed, these architectural shingles. But I want to talk something about the product. You know what I like from this product, which is different than the other product? They have the short nail technology. So that way, the wind, this product can hold like hurricanes, like winds up to 130 miles an hour. First of all, you have 3 layers of thickness. The first layer, the second layer of shingle, plus the short nail strip, which is fiber. So that way it holds the shingles. Let me ask you why always Corner does that. Because back in the days, like 30, 40 years ago, everything was done by hand. Right now, as you know, everything is going forward, more technology. Now, as you can see in the guys, they're using air guns. So sometimes there's a lot of pressure. Sometimes the nails, they go all the way through the shingle. Sometimes they don't last long because it doesn't have the strip. That's what we like about this product. That's why they create Owens Corning. They create this new short nail technology, so that way you can keep the shingle as strong and attached to the wood decking. And this is the kind of product that we use in here at Rapid Restore, and that's about it. So let's take a look. This is how we're doing with all the guys in here. We have all the divisions here in this big commercial roof. We're gonna get it done today. That's the main goal. So we have all these mechanicals that they're trained professionally and know how to install these shingles. And this is how we're doing. We have all the helpers, helping the roofers have everything ready on time, open the bundles, so that way we keep moving forward. And by the end of the day, the goal is to be done by 3 or 4 afternoon. Alright guys, so this is how the project ended up. The mission was to get it done in the day. It's 2 p.m. It's 64 square. It's a pretty big roof, and it's done. It is how it looks. This is the product that we installed. This is the color desert rose. We rip off all the layers of shingles. We replace any wood decking that it was rotted. Everything is pretty much done. New ice and water shield, new underlayment, drippage all around. And the mission, I can say it's accomplished. Any inquiries, anything you guys want to know about the product, anything you have questions about the roof, anything you need for a roof, you can call the pros. We're Rapid Restore. We're here to help you out, anything you need. And we are here to solve, and God bless.